have aspirations goal in our minds, but few of us realize them on our first try. Dreaming is all about what we most want and hope for. But do you know what is the greatest of all of these? Making dreams come true. There is only one attribute that can make this happen: never giving up. It means that you do not allow your failures to be a stumbling barrier for you, but rather use them as stepping stones. So let's look into 4 points that you must always remember and implement to achieve what you want to just forget what you couldn't do. 1. Try again. Winners never quit, quitters never win. So if you're thinking you couldn't do it, so don't forget, failure does not define your success. Even if you fail, you should get up and try again, but you should never give up on your ambitions. That's why Thomas Edison, the famous inventor of the light bulb, his attempts to perfect the light bulb failed 1,000 times. But his attitude toward failure was just outstanding. "I didn't fail 1,000 times, he answered firmly. "I discovered 1,000 ways not to create a light bulb." 2. Recognize your mistakes. Remember, no one in this world is flawless, no one will ever be. Everyone makes many mistakes, but it is your actions following those mistakes that determine whether you are better or worse than others. If you rectify those mistakes and work on them to reach your objective, you are a hero. If you give up on your aspirations because of a mistake, you never had a goal or dream to strive toward in the first place. 3. Success takes time. It takes many sleepless days and nights, a lot of sweat, and hard effort. And it can only be done if you never give up on the tiny setbacks that you will experience along the way. Suppose you need to reach the top floor of a building through stairs only. But if you are willing to take long jumps just to reach in a second, do it at your own risk. But what if you cross each step of stairs? Although it might take longer, you will reach safely. That's what also our practical life is all about. 4. Be confident that you can do it. If you want something big, you must not give up until you get what you are seeking. Self-confidence is the only thing that can help you attain your goals. It will do miracles if you think you can. But, you must first believe in yourself before expecting others to believe in you, and let the world know you, not because you gave up but because of your success. If it was today someone said, "You can't do this," then tomorrow should be the day to make them believe you did it, reflecting your hard work, positive mindset, and consistency.